In this video, we're going to look at controlling the level sequencer. For this example, we have a very simple sequence that is just doing a simple move on the camera. It doesn't matter what we're doing with the sequencer, it's just to show that we can control it. Let's jump into play mode so we're not locked to the specific sequence and we can move around freely. Now in SP, let's create a button. And under Events, go into Shield, where we have the trigger level sequence. Once selected, under the magnifier, you will be able to get a list of all the level sequences. So right now we only have a single one, so let's select that. We can now directly click the button to play it. So let's label it Play Level Sequence. And if we jump back and click the button, we see it plays the sequence once now. When it's done, it goes back to the normal view. There are a few more options for things we can do with the sequence. For example, play in reverse, pause, and play loop, where we can define a specific length to play. We're not going to cover all the options here, as most are self-explanatory. One other option you might find useful is to build a slider interface. Then we can set the range here, say from 0 to 2. Then set it under Events to Scrub, so it will scrub on the sequence. This will then allow us to move the slider back and forth through the specific section on the sequence. This is really helpful as it could be applied to multiple systems at the same time. So we could connect this to all our different render nodes and have them all doing the same thing in a level sequence. In the next video, we'll look at global remote controls using Shield.